Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, we need to boot the device into recovery mode, so hold your power button, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will feel a slight vibration of the device, at which point you want to let go of the power button. Just wait for that to happen. There we go, there was the vibration. You'll see an Honor logo show up, and you want to hold volume up as long as the Honor logo is visible on the screen. Once it disappears, you can let go of the volume up as well. Once we are in the recovery mode, here you want to select clear data by simply tapping on it and then wipe cache partition. Give it a second, this only takes a brief moment. Once it's finished, select back and then restart. And this will now boot you back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.